Did you know two ships once made an accidental bomb? At 9:04 a.m., 6 December 1917, the munitions-laden French steamer Mont Blanc collided with Norwegian relief ship Imo in Halifax harbor. Sparks lit benzol barrels. 20 minutes later, a 2.9 kiloton blast flattened 2 square kilometers, killed 1,782 people, and blinded 592 more when windows turned to flying glass. The shockwave rattled windows 100 kilometers away, the largest human-made explosion before nuclear weapons. One misjudged turn reshaped a city's skyline and disaster planning worldwide. Follow for more historical stories like this.